Hi, first graders, it's Mrs. Belatesh, and today we're going to put on our engineering hat and we are going to be engineers. Last week we looked at biomimicry, and biomimicry is copying nature to solve a human problem. I have a problem that I need you guys to solve for me. I want to make a boat that will float. I want to make it out of aluminum foil, and I'm thinking about copying a duck. I'm thinking especially about Lucky Duck from school. How can we copy Lucky Duck and the shape of Lucky Duck to make a boat that will float? So we're going to kind of make a little plan. So open up your science notebook, and I put at the top Biomimicry project. And the problem is to build a boat out of aluminum foil. The animal we're copying is a duck, Lucky Duck. The materials you can use: 2 sheets of aluminum foil, 12 inches by 12 inches, pipe cleaners, and craft sticks. That's all you get to use. I want to start by drawing a duck and seeing the shape of a duck. I drew a picture of Lucky Duck here, and I want to really look at the shape of the duck's body. So her body is kind of low and rounded, and it sits below the water, and then the rest of her body is above the water. These are her feet that she uses to push through the water. So when I'm thinking about my boat, I want something that has kind of higher sides, and a part of Lucky's bottom is kind of flat, so it could have partly flat and partly curved lines. So I'm going to use this to inspire me to design a boat. So I made a little drawing for my plan, and I'm going to use 2 sheets of aluminum foil, and I've kind of got that same shape that Lucky Duck has. I think I'm going to use 2 pipe cleaners along the top edge to give it a little bit of strength at the top. And now I want to start building. You guys need to make your own plan. Make sure you show your teacher, and then you can build your boat too. I put my 2 aluminum foil pieces together. I put some pipe cleaners in the edge, and I rolled my aluminum foil over. And then I folded the ends. Now I'm going to fold the other end. So here is my finished boat. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in some water and see if it floats. Okay, I'm going to test my boat. My boat is tipping over all the time. I wonder if I should put some weights in it, or maybe I should have a wider bottom. Now I'm at the improve stage. I like my boat. It does float, but it tips over. So now I want to see if there's something I could do to make my boat better. And if you guys have something that doesn't work perfectly, see how you can make your boat float better. Okay, I made a couple of changes. Number 1, I put something in my boat, and by having some rocks at the bottom of my boat, it helps my boat stay upright. I also made the bottom of my boat a little wider, a little flatter, so it would float better. I love building boats out of aluminum foil, and I love using Lucky Duck as my inspiration, my biomimicry for building a boat. I hope that you guys had a successful boat build, but if you didn't, learn from what didn't work, improve, and make it work next time. I'll see you next week, Cougars.